Hello everyone, this is Mayuri and today I am going to discussing with you a urinary system. Then how is the urinary system work? What is the urinary system? The urinary system is also known as a renal system, which is help in the production and storage and elimination of the urines. It is also called as urination. It plays a main role in the maintaining homeostasis by the regulation of the volume and composition of the foods, and also elimination of the waste product through the urine, and controlling blood pressure, and also maintaining the pH of our body. Then what are the components of the urinary system? There are different components of the urinary system, like we can say um, kidneys. Kidneys having a function to the filtration and removal of the waste products and excessive substances is forming the urine. Then structure of the urine. Urine contains the cortex, medulla, and nephrons. Cortex are outer part of where is the ultrafiltration. Ultrafiltration occurs in the cortex, and in a medulla. Medulla is the inner part containing the renal pyramids. Then where urine is the concentrated. Then nephrons having function to the unit and each included to the glomerules, Bowman's capsule, and renal capsules. Then glomerulus having function to capillary network for the filtration, and Bowman's capsules are the collecting the filtration of the fluids, and renal tubules are the proximal tubules which is loop of the handling, and distal tubules and collecting tubules, these are containing into the renal tubules. Then another parts of this urinary system is to the ureters. Ureters having a function to the transportation of the urine from the kidney to the bladder. Then what is the structure of the ureter? This is a muscular tube. It is the muscular tube and using the peristalsis to the urine, and urinary bladder also. Urinary bladder is the function of the store of the urine until it is the excreted, and function of the structure of this urinary bladder to the it is the muscular sac, and lines with the and it is the line with the transitional epithelium to the stretch and can hold 400 to 600 ml of the urine. This is the urinary bladder. Then then urethra. Urethra is also part of the urinary system. Function of this urethra is to the conducting urine from the bladder to the outside. This is the main function of this urethra. Then how is this? What is the structure of this urethra? Urethra in a male. We can say in a male it is the longer passes tube, the penis, and also carries the semen, and in a female it is the shorter and opens above the vaginal opening. Then what are the urine formation processes? Means it is occurs into the nephron. First one is the filtration, then reabsorption, then first one is the filtration. Filtration which occurs into the glomerulus capsules. Then what is occurs in this filtration? How is occurs? Blood pressure forces the water and the solutes, for example glucose, salts, into the Bowman's capsule. Then large molecules like proteins and blood cells are retained into the blood. These are the filtration. Then reabsorption. Reabsorption is mostly in the proximal tubule. It is occurs into the proximal tubule, and which is useful substances like glucose, amino acids, then some salts and water also. They are reabsorbed into the blood. Then third one is the secretion. Then secretion occurs into the distal tubule and collecting tubules. It is the additional waste and like hydrogen ions and drugs are secreted into the tubules. Then excretion. Um, it is the excretion means it is the final urine is excreted via the uterus into the bladder. Then function of the urinary system. The main function of the urinary system is to the excretion of the waste from the body, that like urea, creatinine, then regulation of the blood value, and pressure, then balance pH, then electrocytic balance like sodium, potassium, calcium, uh, then acid base balance means pH regulation, then hormone production, then erythropoietin means stimulation in the red blood cell production, then renin means regulate the blood pressure, then calcium active from the vitamin D. These are the some function of this urinary system, and thank you.